Hey, I'm Dr. Moore, and welcome. We're going to tag along with us today to see what a day in the life in the operating room looks like. So first thing I'm doing is go to pre-op, sign everybody, answer any last-minute questions, and make sure the paperwork's all right. So we're going to head that way. So my practice is shoulder, hip, and knee. I do sports medicine, ligament tears and sprains and some fracture work. I also do joint replacement and arthritis type treatments. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'm doing surgeries. And then Monday, and then Tuesday afternoon and Thursday, I'm doing clinics. Surgery's about 45 minutes, takes you about 6 months to forget you had it. The first 2 weeks is downtime, though. That's really the only downtime. I'm gonna try to avoid that tattoo, but I may get into it. Well, you got a good tattoo guy that can touch it up? Oh, yeah. I'll try to avoid it, okay? Yeah, therapy's 3 times a week. If this is swollen, that's normal. We got to treat that. Lots of ice, and get your foot above your heart. I'll see you in a minute. And I'll call you guys from the operating room with updates as soon as we're done. It'll be a 748 number. That's me calling you. It's not a scam. That's the hospital number.
Thank you.
Visit with each patient that's about to have surgery that day. I always mark their surgery site and ask any final questions, answer any final questions. And then it's pretty much changed into some scrubs and put on a surgical gown and get started with the first procedure. We always like to pause before we start a surgery to confirm we're doing the correct side, correct patient. Everybody got antibiotics, all the precautions we take. That's called a timeout. It's a big deal. We're gonna talk a little bit about the robot. We have a robotic arm that's attached to this fancy computer. The method I always have used for total knee is the muscle sparing approach. And so we're using the robot to be a little more precise to get the patient's function back quickly and safely. We replace the meniscus with polyethylene, which is like a really slippery plastic, and get rid of the cartilage and replace it with some titanium and cobalt chrome. We really look at ways to affect the tissue as little as possible. And so one of those is if we stretch the muscle rather than cutting the tendon, then the recovery is quite a bit quicker. Able to take stairs sooner, able to return to flexion and extension sooner. It's really satisfying to see these patients come in and walk out. Hey, it's Dr. Moore. Everything went perfect with Michael's surgery. Okay, we just finished our total knee, and we got some other surgeries to do here in a little bit. Everything went great. Talked to the family, updated them, and we're gonna grab a quick glass of water and go start another one.